Stop typing dates manually. Instead, use this trick.
Don't fill blank cells like this. Instead, press Ctrl plus G. Click on Special. Click blank. Click OK. Type. Press Ctrl plus Enter. Don't forget to like and share this trick. Stop typing series manually. Instead, use this trick. Type equals, then row. Minus the above blank rows. Now drag till the end. Don't forget to like and share this trick. Don't draw bars like this. Instead, use this function. Don't forget to like and share this trick. Don't consolidate data manually in Excel. Click on first cell. Go to Data tab. Select this. Select Reference Tables. Click on Add. Repeat this for all. Check these options. Press OK. Don't forget to like and share this trick.
Stop typing this manually. Instead, apply this condition. Don't forget to like and share this trick.